After snow, balik tayo sa disyerto. Parang Dubai lang mode, di ba? Pero kakaiba to. Carlsbad Caverns. Yan. So, this is the national park. Later, makikita nyo yung caves. Okay ba? Saya. Sige. Lamig.
Okay naman.
Hello, hello, hello. Nandito kami sa mga kuweba. So, sa Carlsbad Caverns. Lagi hindi ko madiretso eh. Carlsbad Caverns. Carlsbad Caverns. OMG. Ang pogi nung shades mo. Salamat ka kay Faye. Be, may makikita tayong paniki na puti kasi American yung paniki. Is the door. Here. Ang entrance to get the ticket.
100.
This is what we will see in the cave. Oh, come on. But guano is found in caves throughout the world. It is used as fertilizer.
No worries, of course.
Yeah.
Now, you all are about to head down 750 feet beneath where we're standing right now. See some incredible things. Now, for your safety, as well as the safety of the cave, I just ask at all times, please stay on the trail, and please don't touch any of those formations. Off trail is slick and dangerous. Those formations are very old and also very fragile. Even the oils from your fingers are going to permanently damage them. When down there and talking, please keep your voice to a whisper. When down there, no trash, no coins in our ponds. They unfortunately do not grant wishes.
Lalim? May comfort room pala dyan eh.
Alright! We are going down. It's dark. I cannot see anything. This is so cool. There's a cotton candy, baby. Amazing.
Saan ang ano? Saan ang ano?
So we're going also there, bottomless pit.
Dati kristal yan. Ay nadumihan na. Kaya nagkakaganyan yan. Ayan ang maganda. Alam mo, na-discover pa nila itong ilalim na kae. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang laki ng kuweba. Sa atin, madaming ganito.
For the light. Thank you.
It's
Because
cold.
we have a light.
Cold.
It's cold.
Ilalim na, malamig pa rin. Saan na galing yung lamig?
Diba, it's really cold. Sobrang okay pala dito.
Oops, saan ang daan?
Natural light, no?
Saan?
Would you believe that this tour is like 1.5 hour? OMG. 1.5 hour. Keep on climbing and climbing. Ang ganda. This is really amazing. it will be really different kapag kayo nandito kasi sobrang lamig rin. Pero dahil lakad ako ng lakad, talaga mapapawisan ka rin. Wow, just for this, it's 2,000 steps already. That's so cool. Look at that. This is amazing.
Sa Amerika, ganito lang ang pagpapahinga. Garne.
Garne.
Mamahinga muna kayo rin. Pare ko na, di na eh. Ipot na konti. Biyak na siya, oh. Bilawan ng kristal. Kinuha nila.
Alin?
Diamonds to eh.
Oh.
Oh. Ganda niyan.
Hanggang
Galing siya
dulo.
doon sa taas.
Grabe yung ano.
Yun nga, ilaw.
Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. The breeze you feel is
Ayan,
cold.
may hangin na dyan.
The main corridor. Perfect. Perfect for the amazing trail. This is really good. Mountain. I'm tired also. Look at this. But you cannot touch it.
Ito, mabasa pa siya. Ibig sabihin may natulo doon sa taas. Kaya ganyan. Dalawa pala yun.
Pag sa
Stalagmite, stalactite.
Pag sa baba, stalagmites. Pag sa taas, stalactites.
Yun nga.
We're doing a good job. Reaching high leads. Black hole. Three monkeys formation. So there's a three monkey loop. I think it's there. See? That's the three monkeys. And that one. The formation upstairs. Yan yun. Hindi na natin mapupuntahan. Walang trail. Formations lang talaga siya. Reaching high leads.
Ang galing nito, no?
Nice one.
Wow. Walking down.
Look at this. Crazy, great. I'm still okay. I'm short. Charan! Panalo. Maganda talaga itong exercise. Ang hiking sa caves. Ayan o, ay ganda na crystal dito. Super nice. Ayan mo, ayan o. Nakikita mo. This one. They said don't touch. Ito. OMG. It's really cool. Wow. This is cool. Dripping water from cracks in the limestone above.
Yun.
The cavern feeds Devil's Spring. Jim White named this pool, but the historic name is misleading. The pools in the cavern are collections of drip water, not springs. Pool levels vary by season depending on amount of rain and snow. This is the water. It's so cool.
Galing sa taas.
Pahulog-hulog na. Oh, yan, nakikita nyo na. This is really amazing. Like a cathedral. More than a cathedral pa. Sobrang taas. Sobrang taas na namin. Kasi sobrang laki nitong mountain na to. At New York.
Ano pag nasarang ka dyan ang labasan?
Isipin mo nga, paano ka lalabas dyan eh? Sa lakas ng bato na yan.
Akas dito.
Buti na lang.
Ang lalim, ang lalim.
Lalim. Pataas pa tayo.
Black hole. This
The
is where
black hole.
See
This is
that
the
one
black
here?
hole. The one that we
See
saw.
that one? That one over
One evening in 1898. Ayan.
Grabe naman. Amaze talaga
Every 1
to.
minute. of
Sobrang
botas
laki ng
on.
cave na to. Ang lalim pa.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow, nakakatakot.
Ayan yung wooden. To exit the cavern, it was many of the staircase used in the main corridor until 1932 when the first elevators opened. Kaya siya yun. Yun na yun. That's the live one. Pero madilim. So, here it is. Para lang maka-exit sila sa cave. Ganda, bibi, oh. Taray. Super maliwanag na dito. Isipin mo yung ganun kalalim. Isipin mo kung ganun kalalim. Inakyat namin more than, I think 150 floors to. Sa sobrang taas. Pumawis lahat ng kilikili ko. Oo. Kasi kahit anong lamig, hindi kakayanin. Ay. So, rock-a-bye baby. In the dark zone.
Twilight Zone. You're at the edge of Twilight.
Twilight Zone? Wow. Wow, there's a light. There's a light.
Yan, ano. Araw na kuya. Kuya,
This is a Twilight Zone. Five more minutes. 5 more minutes. And we're done. This is crazy. Mahabang daan.
Okay, start to the 8.
Yay! We're getting there. We're getting there. It's really cold. It's really cold out here. Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Gusto mo pa dun ha? Teka lang. Ayun o, ang lalim.
Okay, we're almost outside. See, we're almost outside.
Parang nung nakita ng liwanag, nagkaroon ng buhay.
We made it!
Pero napatay sa puntahan natin yung mga ganda.
Oo.
Yes.
Lahat na puntahan natin.
Sulit sa $8. It's natural.
Puntahan kuya. Ano, pupuntahan muna nila. Nakara climbing sila dyan.
Thank you so much, Cave. Entrance, pero hindi kami dito
naman sila
nag-enter.
bababa pa ngayon.
Dito kami nag-exit. And this is the hardest trail na ginawa namin. Pataas. My goodness. goodness. Sobrang init pero ang lamig pa rin. Hindi ko maintindihan ang nararamdaman ko. OMG. But promise, it's really worth it. Grabe yung ginawa namin. Mystery in the rock.
Over here. That's nice over here. See?
Yeah, that's so cool. Amphitheater 2. The Carlsbad what's that? Carlsbad Caverns. Nakakabulol. This is nice. This is amazing. Thank you.